Hi, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we are going to learn how to log into your Lloyds Bank account. First of all, open up any browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Now at the search bar type in lloydsbank.com and then click on enter. Now at the top right corner you'll find login button, click on it. Then you can select which account you want to get logged into, either it's your personal account or it's your business account. You can also click on this link to create a new Lloyds Bank account, or click on this link to make your account more secure from frauds and scams. Now you can type in your user ID and password. You can check this box if you want to remember your user ID and password on this website. Now click on this button to log into your Lloyds Bank account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.